Welcome to the guided meditation to practice mindfulness with body scanning. This is Nabila, and today I will guide you through this meditation. Before starting our practice, let's be seated in any position that is comfortable to you. You can also be seated on a chair or on the bed. It can be practiced at any time during the day too. The idea is to surrender and relax while taking a break from your daily routine. So do some very easy arm, neck, shoulder, ankle and wrist movements before you settle down for this meditation. Now once you are ready, let's begin by taking a moment to settle your body into a comfortable position again. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open with a soft focus looking downward a few feet in front of you. Allow your spine to lift and your shoulders to open. Today, we will practice a body scan, taking a full breath in and a slow, long breath out. Bring gentle awareness to the breathing. Notice the in-breath and the out-breath. And also the spaces in between. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice the sensations or the lack of sensations. Now move your attention down to the back of your head, the sides, to your forehead and face. Move your attention to your neck and your throat and now shoulders. Noticing what sensations you are aware of. Shift your attention to your arms, upper arms, lower arms, your hands, and then your fingers. Now bring your attention to your back, upper back, down to the middle, and down further to your lower back. Bring your attention to your chest, and now slowly down to your abdomen. Notice the way your body moves with each breath. Notice your legs and your thighs, and maybe the sensation where your legs rest on your chair. Move down to your knees and calves. Now down to your ankles, feet, and toes. Notice what it feels like for your feet to touch the floor. Now bring your attention to your entire body, from the top of your head all the way to your feet. Just notice the whole body. Bring your awareness to what it is like to be sitting here right now, or maybe you are lying down on your bed. Take a full deep breath in and a slow, long breath out. Again, breathe in and slowly breathe out. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling slowly. Now slowly bring your attention back to the world around you. Open your eyes gently. Allow your body to move a little to see what it feels like. See if you can bring this connection to your body and to whatever you do next or throughout your day. In your next meeting or conversation with someone today, try listening mindfully while also putting some attention on your body language and your breathing. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll hope to see you next time with another meditation. Namaste.